On children, welcome back to our online classes. Children, today we are going to start our third chapter of social studies, people around us. This is Shilpa Patil here. Children, from this chapter you will learn about special people, senior citizens and sick people. So first of all we are going to learn about the special people. Children, do you know who are the special people? Yes, Anuj saw a person walking with the help of a stick on the road. His mother told him that the person was visually challenged. Do you know what is meant by visually challenged? Yes, the person who cannot see at all. That is called the visually challenged people. Visually challenged people cannot see. They cannot see at all. However, their other senses are sharp, very sharp. For example, they have or they can hear very well. Though they have special schools, some of them study in regular schools. They study from special script called Braille. This is the Braille alphabet. These kinds of dots are there. Braille script has raised dots made on thick paper. By running the fingers on the raised dots like this, one can read the script. These days, visually challenged people can work on computers too. They can run the computer or do the work on computer. They use special talking software and keyboards. These kinds of keyboards or special talking softwares also are available nowadays. So, visually challenged people also can work on computer. Children, do you know who was Braille? Yes, Braille was introduced by a French man named Louis Braille. His name was Louis Braille. He lost his eyesight when he was 3. Means he was 3 years old at that time. He lost his eyesight. And he invented these letters, Braille script, which is called. Some people cannot hear either by birth or due to some injury. When it is by birth, if by birth only they cannot speak or they cannot hear, they cannot speak also. If they cannot hear anything, how they will speak? Yes, if they are deaf, we can say by birth, then they cannot speak also. They communicate through sign language. This kind of sign language they are using to talk to each other. There are other people who are physically or mentally challenged. We can call them physically or mentally challenged people. Physically challenged people cannot walk properly or any kind of function is not working. That is called the physically challenged people. And mentally challenged people, their mind is not working in a proper way. So they are called mentally challenged people. They lead normal lives with support from their families and friends. We can help visually challenged people to cross road, select things, explain things to them, etc. Different kind of help we can do for visually challenged people. For example, to cross the road. We can read out lessons and stories to them. If they are not able to read or write, we can read these kinds of things to them. They can learn, or we also can learn, sign language and communicate with people who cannot talk or hear. These are the letters for the sign language. Children, I must tell you that Braille script is different one and sign language is different one. Sign language we can do by our both the hands. That way we can talk to the visually challenged people or the person who cannot hear, to them we can talk likewise. We should always talk slowly to the people who cannot hear. We should always face them while talking so that they can read our lips. If they look at us, they see our face, that way they can read our lips and can understand what do you want to talk to them. We should never shout near the people who wear hearing aids. Hearing aids, here you can see the small girl wearing hearing aid. So we never shout near to them. We should be good to physically or mentally challenged people. Here you can see how the deaf people are talking to each other. We should always be good to the physically or mentally challenged people, or we can donate some part of our pocket money to the organizations who look after such people. To look after these people also, we can give some part of our income to these kinds of organizations. Just like Louis Braille, there are many special who are famous for their work. For example, Helen Keller. Helen Keller was a famous American speaker and writer. She was deaf also and she was blind also. As she was deaf by birth or blind by birth, she cannot speak also. Helen Keller, but then also she was a speaker also and a writer also. Stephen Hawking is one of the example who was a famous British scientist. He cannot move his body or speak. He uses machine which is called synthesizer to speak. He used this kind of machine. He cannot walk even or cannot move his body, but then also he was a famous British scientist. One of the great example, the famous actress Sudha Chandran. The famous Indian dancer and actress, she does not have one leg. Here you can see in the picture, but then also she uses an artificial leg instead of the original leg and dances very well. Her inspiring words always inspired us. I lost my leg, but I didn't stop dancing. Though she don't have a leg, but then also she can dance very well. Sudha Chandran is one of the great actress who have the artificial leg. Children, I must tell you that National White Cane Day is recognized on 15th October. Visually challenged people use a white cane to detect the objects in their path. So, this 15th October day is observed as a White Cane Safety Day. I hope all of you understand this video, children. Thank you very much for watching. Like it and share it.